Good afternoon. It's CNFT'S daily recap of our trade recommendations for the E-mini and for the T-note. Those are our two major markets, and we recap our trade calls that are given to you at 6:45 in the morning, sometime in the afternoon. Another difficult day of trading. Didn't have much volatility to work with. In fact, we were contained to a 5-handle or a 5-point range for most of the day. We started off the day wanting to sell 44s to 46s, and we had hoped to buy 35s to 37s, but we thought we saw some support at 38, so it might take a 38 plus or minus to get off along. Didn't know, so as long as we didn't break through 45, we favored the short side of the market. So the first trade that set up for us on the short side was up here, and we had a retest failure a couple of times, and you could have been short in the 44, 44 and a quarter area, and the market traded down to 40.75, which gave you a shot at 2 to 3 points. We did get a retest failure here. The market, off of our setup, you were long at 42.50. The market traded to 43.75, so you had a shot at 1 point, but there's more than likely a scratch. Market came back down, set up again to the long side. You were long at 43.25. Market did trade up to 45, so you had a shot at 1 to 1.5 points. And then we get a retest failure here that takes a long time to develop, which would have had you short in the 43.50 area. With a lot of patience, you could have gotten upwards of 5 points. So it would have been a 1-point trade if you had exited in here to upwards of 5 points on a perfect exit. So it wasn't a really good day of trading. On the low side, 2 plus 0 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So you're looking at 4 points if you traded about as you could trade. Then 3 plus 1, 5.5 plus 5 to as high as 10 points if you traded it perfectly. So not a lot to work with, but our first call of the day was to be a seller at 44 to 46, and it worked out fine. We had a high of 45, and the best trades of the day came from the short side, so we got that right. If you'd like to know more about CNFT Futures, please visit our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our site, you'll get an overview on our software, our educational packages, and our trading methodologies. To further entice you into coming and take a look at us, we offer a 5-day free trial in our trading rooms where you can see how we handle the markets live, real-time, and real-time trading. We generally cover a couple of trades a day. Please contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com, or you may call us directly at 312-361-3895.